Do you ever feel overwhelmed by the vast amount of Amazon reviews, but still read them to see if a product is good or not? What if I told you there is a tool that can summarize all those opinions into an easy-to-read pro and con list? And it can even find cheaper alternatives if you are shopping on a budget or just looking for a good deal. Stick around, you're about to become an Amazon shopping ninja. Alright, let's get into today's plugin demo. Today we're going to use gaming monitors as our example product that we want to look up on Amazon. I've tested this plugin on both Amazon.ca and Amazon.com, both work just fine. For other region-specific variants, test it out and let us know if you run into any issues. Okay, let's grab the URL of our monitor and start from there. Now paste that into ChatGPT and ask for the ReviewReader plugin to provide a pro and cons list from the product reviews. Look at that. In just a few seconds, the ChatGPT ReviewReader plugin has sifted through all the noise and given us a list of pros and cons. No more wasting time and energy scrolling through endless reviews. You can get it done in a fraction of the time it used to take. Buy with confidence now knowing you have a shopping co-pilot in ChatGPT. I know what you might be thinking, what if I still want to read some of the full reviews? No problem. By asking the ReviewReader plugin to extract the top 3 positive and top 3 negative views from the full list, you can pull them out with ease. Now, what if you're on a budget or are really into finding a good deal on monitors before you decide to purchase one? The ReviewReader plugin has your back. Not only can the ReviewReader plugin find you cheaper alternatives to explore, it can also provide a complete breakdown of their pros and cons so that you can compare and contrast this product in the same way you did for the first option. There is one caveat, however: if there is no reviews, this plugin will have nothing to extract. So keep an eye on that when testing for yourself. It has come time to wrap things up for this episode, friends. This has been an examination of the possible workflows for the ReviewReader plugin for ChatGPT. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with anyone who loves smart shopping, and, of course, hit that subscribe button for more ChatGPT plugin practical use cases. This is Promptly AI, the YouTube destination for all things ChatGPT plugins, saying farewell for now. Thank you for watching.